Nanotechnology is a fascinating field that has the potential to transform many areas of science and technology. At its core, nanotechnology is the study and manipulation of matter at the nanoscale, which is typically defined as particles or structures that are between 1 and 100 nanometers in size. To put that into perspective, a nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter, about 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. One of the most exciting applications of nanotechnology is in the field of medicine. Researchers are exploring ways to use nanoscale materials and devices to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, or to detect diseases in the body at an early stage. Nanotechnology is also being used to develop new materials that are stronger, lighter, and more durable than traditional materials. Another promising application of nanotechnology is in the field of energy. Researchers are working on developing nanoscale materials that can capture and store energy from the sun or other sources, as well as materials that can more efficiently convert energy into electricity. But nanotechnology also presents some challenges and concerns. Because nanoparticles can be so small, they can potentially enter the body through the lungs, skin, or digestive tract, and there is still much we don't know about the long-term effects of exposure to these particles. Overall, nanotechnology is a field that holds tremendous promise for advancing our understanding of the world around us and developing new technologies that can improve our lives. But as with any new technology, it's important to approach it with caution and to continue studying and assessing its potential risks and benefits.